how to use coupon on Mulebuy. So here's what you want to do. First, we're going to go into our accounts and copy the coupon that we want to use. Here you will see your coupons and you can just copy the code by pressing on this button. Okay, so once we have the coupon copied, we're just going to go back here and let's create a sample order. So I'm just going to search for wallet like so. And here I'm just going to display some wallets. Let's say I want to purchase this one. So go to the product that you want to purchase and then add it to cart. After, choose the specifications here, like the model that you want to add. And now it's going to be in our cart. So once you have the product ready, we're going to click on our cart in the top right. Then here we will check the product and click on submit order. Now you want to go here. I'm just going to select no prompt, confirm. Okay, so I have read, confirm this and go to checkout. So once we go into the shipping page here, where it's going to be shipping after you create the order, you will have a field to input the code that we just copied. So once you input that code, it is going to redeem it, and that's how you do it. You pay the amount here, and once you go into the shopping, you will be able to put the code, and that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.